What's up, legends? Welcome back to another episode of Custom Body Repair. So, as the thumbnail suggests, we are going to repair this old heap. Now, this has clearly not been showing much love in its lifetime. We picked it up ages ago and it sat around not doing much, and it really hasn't been very loved. You can see that from the pan around shots. Now, not only are we going to repair this car, but we are going to probably customise almost every inch of it to some degree. So we need your help. We need you to get in the comments, let us know. First of all, we can't decide on a colour, whether to do a sleeper or something more outrageous, a little bit more outlandish on the colour. Various different features, interior, all manner of things on this car are going to be changed, customised or upgraded. So we need your help in the comments. But let's go around and show you some of the main issues with it to start with. There's plenty of rust. We've got horrible scuffs, gouges, dents everywhere. Here, some lacquer peel, some dents up on the rail here above the door. The top of the door is twisted out of shape, looks like it's been levered at some point. The whole thing is filthy, disgusting, dirty, dull and completely unloved. But we're going to change that. So, first thing we've got to do is get this car inside the workshop and get it torn down. This is going to stretch over a load of episodes, but let's go and have a look at the interior.
It's filthy, it's dirty, it's gotta go. Whole new interior, seats, carpets, headlining, dashboard, steering wheel, gear stick, everything. So for the dashboard, what about an iPad controlled dashboard controlling all the systems of the car?
I like the sound of that, Dan. What do you guys think? But what about the most important bit, Dan?
The engine.
Oh yes.
1.4 hamster wheel. That's going in the bin.
Look at that.
1.8 valve turbo going in there.
Oh yes, now we're talking.
If anyone's got a 1.8 turbo engine they want rid of, get in touch.
Like Dan says, we're after a 1.8 turbo 20 valve. And if anyone has got one that they might even want to kindly donate to this project, then yeah, feel free to get in touch. Or if you have a 1.8 20 valve donor car, like a Mark IV Golf or something like that, we'd be really interested to hear from you, because we're going to need plenty of parts, engine modules, engine control units, all those kinds of things to make this engine work. So let us know in the comments if you've got something.
Keep watching and stay tuned to watch us turn this shed into a masterpiece.
So folks, if you want to see all the updates on what we do and turn this into a masterpiece, subscribe to our channel and click that notification bell so you never miss a future video on this project.